Good morning students of class 4 FAR. Are you ready? Students, can you hear me? Students of class 4 FAR. Upasana, Supratik, are you ready? Who is coming? Shaurya? Okay. So, students, today we will start a new chapter, present continuous tense. Already we completed simple present tense. So, today we will move to present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is very easy. We all know present continuous, how to form present continuous tense? Is, am, are plus ing form of verb. Ing form of verb. This way we make present continuous tense. Okay. So, in simple present tense, we write he goes to school, but in present continuous, students, can you hear me? Present continuous we will write he is going, okay, he is going to school. As I told you, is, am, are plus ing form. So, is plus main verb plus, yes, tell me, yes. So, students, so this is this way we form present continuous tense. Yes, tell me. Okay. So, present, yes, present continuous tense, page number 62, present continuous tense. Yes. Shubhangi, how are you? Okay. Present continuous tense. Do you remember? Okay. So, page number 62. Here number B, okay, number B. Look at the picture, then complete the passage given below using the present continuous tense. So, the verb is given here and we will use the present continuous form of verb and we will complete this passage. So, write very fast. Students, my hotel is on the beach itself. I am standing. I am standing. Looking in the balcony and looking out, some men and women are swimming. In the sea, two tourists are basking. Two tourists are basking in the sun. A few seagulls are flying. Overhead, Mrs. and Mr. Shivalkar are walking on the beach. Manan is building. Manan is building a sand castle and Riya is helping. Riya is helping him. An old man is selling. An old man is selling peanuts, but there are hardly any customers. Yes, very good morning. Shaurya, Ritamanos, Tanishta, Tanvi, Shomili, Shubhanga, very good morning to all. Students, maybe net problem is there, that is why your messages are coming too late. So, students, come to page number 63. Now, page 63. Imagine that you are standing at the window of your room, your mother is inside doing some work, your dog Jimmy is celebrating his birthday. So, look at the picture students here, your dog Jimmy is celebrating his birthday. Just imagine Okay. Now, we will complete this passage. It is a very interesting scene in the lawn, Mama. Jimmy is celebrating. Jimmy is celebrating. Jimmy is celebrating his birthday. He is sitting at the table. Okay. He is wearing a beautiful new dress. He is looking quite handsome. He is looking quite handsome. Now, he is blowing out the candles. The bunny rabbit is clapping. The bunny rabbit is clapping. All his friends are wishing. All his friends are wishing him a happy birthday. Mr. Cock is standing. Mr. Cock is standing in a corner and is singing. Is singing a song. Mr. Cat and Mr. Fox are sitting. Students, can you see the board? Are yes, yes. Enjoying, are enjoying. From the board, we will move to the brought, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, do negative sentence we use did not. Okay. Bah, Ritumanos, actually you all are very good. So, beautiful number 3, Manisha. dash on wild animals okay, okay, okay. So, students, can I rub page 63? Page 63, can I rub? Okay, okay, thank you. Students, you know, for term 2 syllabus, we have very less time, okay. That is why we have to do first. We have to do very fast, I know. Later I will tell, not now, okay. Later I will tell. From e-portal? How can it be possible? How? Okay. So, student, no, no, no. Now, you cannot see the video. Now, you cannot see. What is going on? Visible. Once it is visible and next time it is not. Okay, number 5. Now, can you see? Can you see the board? Now? Now? Okay, okay. Now, number 5, students. Ajoy caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, Ajoy caught the ball and threw, T-H-R-E-W, threw, past tense of throw, it to the wicket keeper. Okay. Now, number C. Make the following sentences negative. The flight took off on time. Okay. Not take off. Did not, because in negative sentence we have to write did not. So, write the flight, write full sentence, the flight did not, and then present form of verb, you know, did not take off on line. Okay. Number 2, Samidha felt sorry for her mistake. Samidha did not feel, okay, did not, then present form of verb, feel sorry for her mistake. Number 3, the child knew the correct answer. The child did not know, did not know, did not, did past tense, that is why after did not, present form of verb, did not know the correct answer. I switch off, Orkopriyo, switch off your camera. Next, number 4, they sent for the doctor immediately. They did not, tell me, send, S-E-N-D, present form, did not send for, yes, 22, which one is 22? Yes, chapter 22, then Who is asking? Who is asking? Tell me name. Shubhangi, page chapter number is given here. Number B, then number C. Write from the board. They did not send for the doctor immediately. Okay. So, students, I am going to rub this part, the left part. Number 5. The teacher did not explain. The teacher did not explain the lesson Number 6. I did not hear the news in the morning. Now, number 7. Yeah, which number? Which number? Oh, let me write. We did not spend, present tense, spend our, very good. Who is here? Anay? Shubham, very good. Now, number D. Write question to which the following may be the answers. Begin your questions with the question words given in the brackets. So, one example is given here. I ate a boiled egg and 2 sandwiches. We will start question, we will make question with the word what. What did you eat in the breakfast? So, in this way we will write the we will make question that the statements is like the answer. Okay. So, D number 1. They held the audition last week. Yes. Yes. Okay. Disconnect and rejoin. When did they held the audition? When did they held the audition? Okay. Number 2. The bus dropped him near the school. Where did the bus drop? D-R-O-P, okay. Drop him. Okay. Now, I am going to wrap this portion. Who is? Shubhangi. Shubhangi, disconnect and rejoin. Number 3. We traveled to Mysore by car. Okay. How did we travel to Mysore by car? The question will be, how did you travel to Mysore? Okay. Number 4. The chief minister gave away the prizes. Who gave? Yes. Who gave away the prizes? Plural number. Okay. Number 5. Plural number. Number 5. Anuj did not go to school because his bus did not come to pick him up. Why? Why did Anuj Yes, why did Anuj not go to? Yes. You can write why did not Anuj or why did Anuj not go. Okay. Now number come to next page. Come to next page. Oh, this is the last one. So why did Anuj not go to school? Complete. Ritamanoj, do not write here. I don't get time to check your answers. Okay, just copy. Samidha did not feel sorry for her mistake. The child did not know the correct answer, that she did not explain the lesson carefully. I did not hear the news in the morning. We did not spend our holiday in Goa. Goa, capital letter. When did they hold? When? Which one? Hey, Ritamanoj, where is the question number, question marks? Why did, when did they hold the audition, question mark? Where is the question mark? Where did the bus drop him, question mark? Put a question mark. How did we travel to Mysore? Put a question mark. Who gave away the prizes? Question mark. Where is? Why did Anuj capital letter A not go to school? Question mark. Ritamanoj, put question marks and Anuj capital letter. So students, this chapter is also completed. Okay. So this video will be uploaded in the so you can from YouTube you can access this. So till then, goodbye students. Bye bye. Bye students. Bye bye. Bye.